In order to start and run the lawnmower, the first thing you're going to have to do is pump up that tire. So in order to do that, since we have that support in the way to the shop, you're going to have to walk over here yourself and get the portable compressor, which is right there. And you'll have to get the tire extension, which is either going to be right here on this line, or it should be up here where it says tire nozzle. You're going to grab both of those and take them back out to, now we're back out here with the compressor next to the tire in the lawnmower, but it needs to be plugged in. So I'm going to come over here and grab the extension cord that is wound through all kinds of things, and hopefully we can make it get over there long enough. Oh, we're so close. And plug that guy in. Now we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna let it load up a little bit. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute for it to get enough air in there to then use the tire over here. Okay, so it's been running for a little while, so now we're going to come over, oh, it just stopped. We're going to come over here and we're going to do the pressure regulator knob, and we're going to turn it clockwise and let it go up to about 60 psi. And we're going to grab this hose and bring it around a little bit. And you're going to look for the connection there into the tire. Tire's nozzle. Push this into it, and you'll see that the tire starts moving up. The compressor will automatically turn back on when it needs to refill, and it'll do that while you're doing this, so that's okay. You want to load this thing up until it's nice and full. You see the tire will kind of stop moving, but it still needs to fill the tire out. You want to leave it in there a little bit longer.